Disabled. Put it on YouTube. Hi.
Why nobody answered?
Why is your iPad disabled? What did you decide to do?
Because this bitch decided to mess with it before you came.
No, I didn't. I decided.
Try again in 1 minute.
Just say I probably tried to get your password.
Okay, ready, guys? Okay, this one. I feel lucky about this one. Listen to this.
Do this to honk their horn. Usually just do that with the truck.
Oh my god!
They're supposed to leave. Honky. No, they're lame. Dude, we already got a bunch of people honking at us.
Wait.
Honk!
Honk it!
Honk it!
Honk it!
She was like smiling at us.
She was just smiling.
Yeah,
She was like, hi, bitch.
Wait.
Monkeys here with my damn shit hat.
Push the fuck out.
Oh.
That's my size on your head. Look at that.
Honk it! Okay, this one's gonna be loud. I feel it in my health. Honk it!
Yes!
Yes! Here, hold my phone, Trey.
Here, I'll hold your hat.
What? Record him.
Trey? Really, niggas? Hi.
Monkeys in the house. Monkeys in the house. Okay, thanks,
Oh
Trey.
my god, dude, this is so fucking funny. Honk. Dude, there are like 8 people in a row last time. Oh, wait, get ready.
Honk it.
Honk it.
Honk it! Honk it! Honk it! Honk it! Honk it! Oh yeah!
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, it's sick.
Oh,
We're all just like honking.
YouTube.
I have a YouTube channel actually.
honk it.
Honk it! I have no subscribers though.
Honk it.
Honk it! 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 Yes! Woo! Woo! Honk it! Honk it! Yes!
Did you guys even know what that meant before I started doing it?
No? What do you mean?
If you do it to a truck, they usually do it. All the
Yeah,
time.
dude, the trucks are fucking loud, dude.
They do it to the trucks usually do it all the time because they actually.
This is just
Okay, ready?
Dude, stop filming me, please. I'm gonna cry now. What?
Honk it!
honk it.
Honk it!
Honk it.
Honk it!
Some people just probably don't know what it means. Hi, Christian.
Hi.
Hi, Justin.
Justin, don't you mean
You're gay.
Honk it! Honk it! Honk it! Dang it! Honk it! Honk it! Honk it! Allahu Akbar! Honk it!
This guy's like, what the fuck are you guys doing?
I don't want
These look
that!
like thugs. Look a picture.
Dude, a bunch of people are gonna come in and freaking shoot at us. Honk it! Honk it! Let's start saying hi now.
People are looking at us like, what are you guys doing?
No, let's say hi. Cause when we were here saying, they usually say yes.
Right here.
Right here. Hi.